Every journey begins at the source. Nutrition sets the stage for quality.
Hydration supports growth from the very first day.
Vigilance begins before transportation. Movement is gentle and controlled. Preparation ensures safe handling.
Automation begins to assist human precision.
Every detail matters before departure.
The journey to the factory begins.
Every mile is guided by standards.
Distance is measured in care, not miles.
Environmental factors are constantly checked.
Every journey is monitored carefully.
Progress is measured, precise, and continuous.
The destination of transformation comes into view. Phase 2, farm plant, transport to facility. The cold chain journey begins the moment wheels start turning.
Conditions are controlled every second of the drive.
Airflow and spacing keep stress to a minimum. Precision protects quality long before processing. Distance is measured in consistency, not miles. Every step follows regulated protocols.
No delays are allowed in fresh supply.
The destination comes into view.
This is where transformation begins.
Traceability is verified before entry. Inside the factory universe, control tightens.
Positioning must be exact. Contamination is never an option.
Human precision meets industrial scale.
The factory process officially begins. Every movement inside the factory is synchronized. Flow replaces manual handling at scale.
This is industrial food production at full capacity. Cleanliness controls everything that follows. Each section is purpose-built. Intake marks the shift from farm to factory. Automation handles animals with precision. Nothing in the factory stands still.
Movement defines the factory rhythm.
Human oversight never leaves the line.
Consistency is engineered into every space. Containment protects the entire system.
Steel and water take over from here.
Precision controls output and safety.
The next stage begins with purification. Phase 4 to outflow. Initial cleaning and sorting. Cleaning begins the moment processing starts. Uniform washing ensures uniform results.
Even water is carefully managed.
Human eyes confirm machine precision.
No step is rushed.
Preparation sets the stage for accuracy.
Size matters more than most imagine.
Automation keeps flow uninterrupted.
Machines work best with human support.
Standards are enforced instantly. Order returns to the line. Precision continues even in drying.
Clean zones protect every next step. Readiness prevents waste and error. Now the real transformation begins. This is where structure replaces nature.
Speed and control now move together. Every step follows strict global protocols. Flow is never interrupted. Human oversight guides automation. Cleanliness is maintained at every stage.
Quality is confirmed, not assumed.
Uniformity prepares for consistency.
Redundancy strengthens safety. Precision is measured in grams. Data controls direction instantly. Vertical movement keeps space efficient.
One phase hands off to the next. Hygiene runs alongside production.
The foundation is now complete. Phase 6, Porterhoff, main transformation stage, and This is where flavor engineering begins. Spacing determines consistency. Ratios are protected at all costs. Motion replaces manual mixing. Even contact creates reliable flavor.
Human judgment validates automation.
Alignment prevents loss and overlap. Moisture locks flavor in place. Time is a critical ingredient. Nothing is wasted in the system.
Texture is engineered layer by layer. Coverage defines crunch.
Efficiency supports scale. Adhesion prevents loss later. Visual checks protect brand standards. At this scale, automation becomes the backbone. Data turns movement into knowledge. The servo drives communicate instantly, automatically synchronizing speeds for a flawless merge and continuous product flow. Balance keeps output predictable. Vision systems never blink. Corrections happen in motion. Feedback keeps flavor consistent.
Heat is prepared with precision.
Safety is programmed, not optional. Spacing controls cooking results. Clean oil protects flavor.
Seconds define perfection.
Reliability is built into the system. Everything is aligned for transformation.
The defining moment is seconds away. Phase 8. Quoit Quan. Precision and finishing lines.
Heat transforms preparation into identity.
Consistency lives inside the fryer.
Even oil is constantly evaluated.
Control continues beyond the heat.
The process never pauses.
Excess is removed with precision. Color confirms doneness.
Experience validates automation. Apple Gutrits.
Rest is part of perfection. Flavor is layered, not rushed.
Precision reduces waste.
Safety is measured internally. Order prepares for packaging. Transformation is complete. The final phase approaches. PHAs 9, 30, quality control and lab testing. Every batch undergoes scrutiny beyond the production line. Precision is human-guided as well as automated. Accuracy is confirmed in grams. Moisture defines texture and mouthfeel. Safety is never assumed, only proven.
It ensures safety and quality simultaneously.
Appearance confirms brand consistency. World consistency.
Safety is confirmed at a molecular level. Taste starts with scientific precision. Independent verification maintains trust. Data flows back to guide production in real time. Only fully verified batches move forward. Hygiene follows scrutiny. Every batch carries its history forward. Quality confirmed, now ready for dispatch. PHAs 10, Plut, packaging, storage, and dispatch.
The final chapter of production begins.
Presentation is as important as preparation. Accuracy ensures consistency across every box. Branding locks in freshness and identity. Prepared for storage and distribution. Orderly stacking maximizes efficiency.
Protection ensures product integrity.
Temperature control preserves freshness. Traceability remains intact to the last mile. Distribution is the final journey.
Logistics delivers product safely and efficiently.
Storage bridges preparation and consumption.
The factory's work meets the world.
And this is how modern factories produce KFC chicken from start to finish.